Today I'm going to show you how to make an origami heart. Now, you need a square sheet of paper. If you don't have any, I'm going to show you now how to make one out of a regular sheet. You just fold it in half. Not in half, sorry. Fold it diagonally like this. Make sure it's nice and even. And then you want to cut off that extra piece. Nice and evenly. And put that in your crafts or recycle or something. Then alternately, if you don't want that line down the center, if it's messing you up during one of them, you could take that one sheet, overlay it over top of another, mark it. Here, make sure it's nice and even. Then you can just take and mark it. And then cut. There we go. Now we got a nice square sheet. So today we're going to learn how to make an origami heart. Probably look nicer if you used a nice red sheet of paper or something like that. Now, technically this would be the back and this will be the front. So if you start with like a sheet of paper that says red on one side, blue on the other, or whatever, this would be the blue side, that'll be the red side underneath. So, starting out, red is on the bottom. I'm going to fold it right in half. Nice and even. Stick those aside. Now, I'm going to unfold the previous step. Okay, now we're going to fold it the other way. Okay, and now we're going to unfold that. Now, we're going to fold the bottom edge up to the crease. Nice and even. And now we're going to flip the paper over to the other side. So this will be the red side. Remember, that's the blue side. That's the red side. And then we're going to take and fold the bottom right corner diagonally up to the left, aligning it with the vertical crease. So just like that. And you're going to do it the same with the other side. Make sure it's nice and even. The more even your stuff is, your folds, the more straighter your folds are, the more even on each side, the better your stuff's going to look in the end with origami. You're going to flip the paper over to the other side. So we're like that. And we're going to fold the left and right edges to meet in the middle at that crease again that we made earlier. So we're going to fold it right to that crease. Right there. Perfect. When you do, it'll line up with the edge of this and everything else. So we'll fold that over there. Okay, now we got like that. Okay? So just like that now. We're going to take and fold the top right and left diagonally inwards. The top left and right corners, we're going to fold them into the center crease. Just like that. I'm going to take the other side and do the same thing. Right to the center, just like that. Now, we're going to take the top point down to the bottom point. And we're going to insert it into there. We're going to insert it. Come on. Come on, get in there straight. Insert it right into there. So it looks like that. You want to make sure, sorry, you want to make sure it's down. And then just kind of push it down and flatten it out. Flatten it right in here. Makes it easier. There. That's what it should roughly look like now. It's just like that. Now we're going to flatten the top section of the heart. So we're going to flatten it. Just like that. Line the crease in the center up with the crease in here. And now it looks like that. Just like that. So far. And then we're going to fold the top left and right corners diagonally inwards. So just like this. And then this one in here. Make sure this one's all nice and folded in. We got those. And we're going to fold the two top points of the heart down a little. So we're going to take the top points and we're going to fold them down just a little bit. Make sure it's nice and lined up here. Try to make them nice and even. There we go. Now, you see how that looks now? Now we can flip it over and look at that. We got a heart. A nice completed heart. Just like that. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.